On Special Relativity, ISSR-2012 at the Senate House, University of Rajshahi, Bangladesh. I am Farhana Sufi, lecturer, Department of Electronics and Electronic Engineering, University of Rajshahi, MC for the inaugural session. Our chair for the program is Professor Imam Sultan, Vice Chancellor, University of Rajshahi. Co-chair is Professor Mohammedullah, Pro-Vice Chancellor, University of Rajshahi. And Secretary of this event is Professor Abdul Muhammad Ismail, Chairman, Department of Applied Physics and Electronic Engineering, University of Rajshahi. I request them to kindly take their seats at the stage. Then he went to the Center of Theoretical Physics, Saclay, France, and worked in the field of normalized field theory. He joined the University of Rajshahi as a faculty member in 1974. He has completed his Ph.D. from Rajshahi University in 2010. His present work is based mainly on his Ph.D. thesis. I request Professor Ahmed to kindly join the chair of the program on the stage. The Alba High School and Rajshahi College, respectively. He graduated with honors in Applied Physics and Electronics, University of Rajshahi, and joined Rajshahi University as a faculty member after finishing his master's in 1979. He then earned the Commonwealth Scholarships and completed his MS from the Rajshahi University, Canada in 1983. He then completed his Ph.D. from the Harvard University, West Australia in 1992 with scholarship. Professor 42 voluntary retirement from Rajshahi University in 2006 and joined the University of Development Coordinator. Now he is acting as the Vice Chancellor of the Global Voluntary University, Rajshahi. I request Professor Poni to kindly join the chair of the program on the stage. Engineering, Secretary of the International Seminar on Special Relativity, ISSR, to present his welcome speech.
Seminar on Special Relativity, ISSR-2012. The Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rajshahi University, Professor Imam Sultan, the Honorable Co-Chair, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Rajshahi University, Professor Mohammedullah, the invited domestic and foreign participants, other editors, the electronic and printed media people, my dear colleagues, students, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning and salam to you all. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this inaugural ceremony of the International Seminar on Special Relativity, ISSR-2012. As we know, in the course of scientific and technological development, our observation power has developed tremendously. We are now able to perceive many physical phenomena which were obscure in the past, such as quantum entanglement, the speed of electron during tunneling, etc. To explain such phenomena, new theories and/or enhancement of existing theories are required. In the face of global challenges on developing new theories for explaining various unresolved physical issues, two distinguished scholars of Rajshahi University, Professor Usman Ali Talukdar and Dr. Mushfiq Ahmed, are going to present their nearly 2-decade-long results on special relativity. They believe that their theory would supplement the Einstein's theory of relativity to accommodate the recently observed unresolved scientific phenomena. Dr. Mushfiq Ahmed particularly claimed that the neutrino particle might travel at a speed higher than the speed of light. Very recently, a group of scientists in CERN, Geneva, has demonstrated in their repeated experiments that the neutrino particle traveled from Geneva to Grand Cecil Italy at a speed higher than the speed of light. At this point, Rajshahi University felt that it would act promptly to provide a platform for its two scholars so that they can be heard worldwide. This international seminar is the result of the responsibility of Rajshahi University. I would like to thank the Daily Star and the Channel I for their support in conveying our message to audiences at home and in abroad. I would also like to thank the Borough University Trust, the Bragg Bank Limited, Engineer Muhammad Enamul Haq, the Member of Parliament Rajshahi 4, Mr. Abdul Wahab Dara, the Member of Parliament Rajshahi 5, and Mr. Shahadiyat Alam, the Member of Parliament Rajshahi 6, for sponsoring this event. I believe that ISSR 2012 will yield fruitful results for global society through discussions by the distinguished participants. In addition to the scientific significance of this seminar, the location is another attractive feature of ISSR 2012. Rajshahi boasts magnificent natural beauty and many precious cultural relics. The colorful ethnic background lends a touch of mystery that enhances its fame. The pictures but the river meanders like a liquid jezebel. Particularly at this season of the year, our campus has become really a flower garden. I feel glad to welcome you all in our beautiful campus and hope you will enjoy your stay here. Thank you very much for your support to make this event a success. Thank you all.
I'd like to request the co-chair of the ISSR 2012, Professor Muhammad Nurullah, Pro-Vice Chancellor, University of Rajshahi, to kindly say something.
Honorable Chair, Professor Dr. M. Sohan, Vice Chancellor, Rajshahi University, presenters of the seminar, Dr. Usman Walid Al-Abdar, Dr. Mushfiq Ahmad, Secretary General of this seminar, Professor Dr. Ismail, scientists from home and abroad, lovely audience. Very, very good morning. In this fine morning, hundreds of scientists and people interested in science have gathered here enthusiastically in the Senate Hall to listen to great scientists who have something new to tell, something new about theory of special relativity of the great scientist Einstein. If their findings become acceptable to the world community of scientists, then this event will be regarded and remembered as a golden milestone for science. And all of us present here will consider ourselves as proud witnesses of a golden moment of history. If not, even then, we will remember this occasion as courageous deliberation by two scientists who dared to think of novel ideas. Scientists are for finding truth, explaining it to others, and utilizing the findings for the welfare of mankind. A new theory may be accepted or rejected. Even if it is rejected, it is a positive development towards better understanding of problems under consideration. What is important is that truth should be revealed. A scientist's mind has no prejudice. He is free to accept or reject something if there are scientific evidences for or against something. Ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I have only to say, let truth be revealed, truth be established, and truth be accepted. Thank you.
Honorable Co-Chair, Professor Mohammadullah, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rajshahi University, our scholar, true physicist for whom this seminar has been arranged, Dr. Mushfiq Ahmed and Dr. Usman Gunita. In front of me sitting the former Vice Chancellor of Rajshahi University, Professor Abdul Khalid, the Vice Chancellor of Science and Technology, University, Patna, Professor Muzaffar Hussain, Director of IBA, Professor Mujlisur Rahman, distinguished scientists from home and abroad, dear participants, journalists of print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you and welcome to this seminar. It is my immense pleasure to say a few words about this international seminar on Special Relativity ISSR-2012. As you already know, this seminar has been arranged by the University of Rajshahi with a special mission, that is to create an opportunity for the two scientists, Dr. Mushfiq Ahmed and Dr. Usman Gunita of this university, to bring to light the results of their nearly 2 decades research on special relativity to the scientific people of home and abroad, and because the scientists have claimed that they have derived new equations which are missing in Einstein's model. They also claim that particles' velocity can exceed the velocity of light, and in support of this they have made clear mathematical statements. They also say that this will not contradict the Einstein's model. Rather, the scientists claim that they have fulfilled the deficiency of Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity. Ladies and gentlemen, Rajshahi University Authority has just made a rule for the two scientists to let you and the scientific people of the world what they have claimed and what they are going to deliver in this seminar after this inaugural session. I hope you will find it useful, and I believe that fruitful conclusion will be derived. Hope your 2 days long stay here will be peaceful and enjoyable. Thank you very much. Thank you all, and Sunday.
Rajshahi University, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please accept my greetings. Dear audiences, relativity is a little understood, very popular theory. The major hurdle in the way of understanding is that we do not know the problem it claims to solve. If someone claims they have found a cure for cancer, we understand at least the half of what he is saying because we know what cancer is. If someone claims to have found a cure for Alzheimer's, we are puzzled because we do not know what Alzheimer's is. It gained popularity because it is absurd. It imposes on us views like shrinking of space and dilation of time, which are against our intuition. 20th century, especially the first half of it, witnessed a craving for absurdity. From the day it was born, science aimed at certainty and quantum mechanics is built on uncertainty. Franz Kafka, the master of absurdity, was one of the most acclaimed authors of the time. To make observation, especially in the domain of electrodynamics, motion of charged particles and rays agree with our understanding. Henry Poincaré and Albert Einstein proposed the theory of relativity. One of the postulates, something we agree to accept without understanding, of the theory of relativity is that the speed of light is not affected by our own motion. If a moving train is observed by a vendor standing on the platform, observes the speed, the same train observed by a passenger in another moving train observes a different speed. The speed of the observer affects the observation. Not so in case of light. This is the postulate. Moving or not moving, it is the same speed. And it is the maximum. No speed can be greater than the speed of light. When a new medicine comes, it is usually received with enthusiasm. Then physicians try to see how it works in various situations and very often find undesirable side effects. About the same is the story of scientific theories. There have been problems, especially in the domain of this postulate. We have been trying for about 20 years now to reveal the theory of relativity without Einstein's postulate. We have also tried to integrate some quantum mechanical concepts, especially de Broglie's material concept, into the theory of relativity. Einstein's theory has given us some equations which Einstein said, place your hand on a hot stove and a minute feels like hours. Sit next to a pretty girl and an hour feels like minutes. Now that is relativity. It means that time in happiness passes very rapidly, but sad time passes slowly. Obviously, in relation with relativity of time, there are two situations which are completely opposite to each other. However, in his theory of relativity, Einstein has put forward a mathematical formulation to describe one situation only. We have derived two equations which can describe both the situations. One of them is exactly Einstein's equation, the other one is therefore the missing equation. Similarly, there are three more missing equations which we have also derived. In fact, we have derived those in three different ways. Lorentz and Einstein have given a transformation law for the relativistic addition of velocities only. We have found the relativistic addition laws for all other relativistic quantities. Further, we have derived the multiplication rule for velocities as well as for all other relativistic quantities. We have also found out the expressions for minimum and maximum values for relativistic quantities. The missing equations together with the existing ones complete the theory of special relativity. We are giving another set of self-consistent equations which we have called non-Einsteinian relativistic case. The set of equations are directly related to the Galilean velocity and hence is applicable to all values of velocity ranging from 0 to infinity. These equations can resolve the dilemmas of neutrinos moving faster than light and can help overcome some difficulties the cosmological theories are facing. We hope to have covered some ground. Much more is yet to be done. We have been encouraged tremendously by our colleagues, senior and junior, and by the people around. The enthusiasm shown by the whole nation is much more than what we could expect and certainly much more than what we deserve. The media has played a forceful role in mobilizing this enthusiasm. Our gratitude to all is much more than towards permit us to exist. Thank you.